Hello, everybody. Welcome to Improving Performance in VMware and Hyper-V Enabled Clouds presentation. I'm just going to make sure that everybody can hear me okay. If you can't, for whatever reason, just send me a message through chat session. That way I'll make sure that you're all set. So just give it a minute or so. I still see some people coming in, and then we'll just go ahead and get started. All right, I have 3:18 on the East Coast, so we'll go ahead and get rolling. So again, welcome to the session. Today we're going to cover a lot of ground. Particularly, I'm going to very briefly tell you a little bit about vkernel. And I'm going to really focus on kind of understanding performance and capacity management in virtualized environment, private clouds, and public clouds. What are the issues, what to pay attention to, and talk about performance and particularly capacity as it affects performance in general. And then I'll dive in to specifically about how to go about troubleshooting performance-related issues, how to improve performance. In the course of doing that, I'll show you some screenshots from capacity analyzer product. Okay, so very briefly about vkernel, if you haven't heard of us, we have a pretty substantial following in the virtualized environment, and about 13,000 users. The company was founded in 2007. I mean, we're basically known for performance optimization, capacity optimization. Our software is used by system administrators, both in an internal IT situations as well as, for many hosting companies use our software to manage their virtualized data center. Okay, so let me kind of set the stage by describing a little bit of the evolution of the data center, and I think that will help frame the whole cloud performance discussion. So in the pre-virtualized data center, essentially we had Windows boxes for the most part running one application on one Windows box. There was really no sharing of resources. Memory and CPU were private to each application. Very limited sharing of storage. Essentially, most of the applications used the local storage, as was provided in the system. And virtualization came about, and sort of the big shocker to people managing virtualized data center, which for the most part were a lot of the Windows administrators. Has to be, how do I manage all this shared capacity? I have a shared CPU, I have a shared storage, I have shared storage I/O. Now all of what used to be separate physical servers are all pumping their I/O requests through this shared storage I/O channel, which definitely changed things from the old data center. And